I'm going to show you a tip on how to find photos that have no date. One of the things that people wonder when they upload a bunch of photos to MemoryWeb is, where can I find the photos that have no date? Because when you go into our photo section, you can see that they're all organized by date. One really quick way to find the photos that have no date is to click right here where it says group by year. What's going to happen is automatically those photos that don't have a date are going to be up on the top, and then you can really quickly navigate to those, and then you can see right here all of those photos. These are actually from a family reunion we had a few years ago, and what you would be able to do is, if you knew the dates of those photos, you'd be able to change them. You can do a whole bunch of photos at the same time. If you knew the date of those photos, you could see right here, you can add all kinds of information to all those photos. Or if you didn't know the date for all of the photos, but you just knew it for one, you could see here, this is a photo that we can actually go into individually and edit all the information right here, including the date. And you could use an exact date if you knew the date, or you could use an approximate date if you knew it was only from, maybe spring 1945 or maybe 1945 to 1950. You'd be able to change the date here. And that is just a quick tutorial on how to find photos that have no date.